How to add a link in Adobe Acrobat? Let's dive right into adding a link in Adobe Acrobat. It's a simple process, but it can really enhance your document by allowing readers to access additional resources easily. First thing first, open the PDF file you want to edit in Adobe Acrobat. Here, I have already opened my PDF over here. Now, what you have to do is simply tap on this edit over here, tap on it. That will open a few options for you. Scroll down and over here you can see an option for the link. Simply tap on it and that will give you an option of add or edit a link. Tap on it. So this feature is only available for the premium user. However, I'm using a free version right now, but I'll be explaining the best process for you. Once you tap on link, you will see an option called add or edit your link. As we saw earlier, cursor here allowing you to draw a box around the area where you want to add the link to appear. After you have drawn the box, a dialog box will pop up. Here, you can choose the link appearance. You can set it to be visible or invisible and adjust the border color if you want it. And select the action you want to occur when someone clicks on link. If you are linking it to the website, choose open a web page. Click next and then enter the URL of the website you want to link to. If it's a link to the another page written within the document, you can choose that option instead. Once you have entered the URL or select your document destination, click on OK and that's it. Your link is now active. To test it, hover around the link and click it to ensure it directs you to the right place. That's a quick and easy way to make your PDF document more interactive. That's it. Now you know how to add a link on your PDF from Adobe Acrobat. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.